In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subtitle language on YouTube. Being able to switch subtitle languages is really useful. Whether you're learning a new language, watching content from another country, or just need subtitles in your preferred language. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own device. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. You can do this by typing the YouTube address into the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're on the main YouTube site and that the page has fully loaded before you move on. Next, find and click on the video you want to watch. You can choose a video from your homepage recommendations. Search for a specific video using the search bar at the top, or open one from your subscriptions. Once you've found the video, click on the thumbnail so it opens in the video player. Now that your video is playing, look along the bottom of the video player for the subtitles or CC icon. It usually looks like a small box with the letters CC inside. Click this icon once to turn subtitles on. If they were already on, you'll simply see them start appearing on the screen as the video plays. To change the subtitle language, we'll need the settings menu. On the bottom right corner of the video player, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings button. Click on the gear icon to open a menu with different playback options. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Subtitles or Subtitles CC. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new panel that shows you the currently selected subtitle track, along with other available options. Here you have two main choices. If the creator has uploaded subtitles in multiple languages, you'll see them listed. Simply click the language you want, and the subtitles will switch immediately. If you don't see your language listed, look for the auto-translate option. Click auto-translate, and you'll get a long list of languages that YouTube can translate into automatically. Scroll through the list, click your preferred language, and YouTube will generate translated subtitles for you. Once you've selected the language, just continue watching your video. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to switch to a different subtitle language.